Hello, in this video I will show you how to download and install Qemu on Windows 11. So you have to start with opening your internet browser and now search Qemu in Google and click on the first link and now click on download button, and here you have to choose your system. I will use Windows, of course, and now choose your version of Windows. I will choose 64-bit, and here you can choose a version of Qemu that you want to download, and I will just download the newest version. Now you have to wait for the downloads to finish. And now you can go to your downloads folder and open Qemu Win64 setup. Here you can choose language and click OK. Now click next, click I agree. Here you can change some settings of the components that you want to install, but you can just use the defaults and just click next. And now click install. And you have to wait for this app to finish installing. Now you can click finish and your Qemu app is now installed. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.